All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got this spot kind of cleaned off where I had my granny truck. Done something different. These were 6 foot, now they're 6.5 foot. I forgot I ain't got a holler because I got a microphone on. All right, so sorry about that. I'm not redoing it. But these are now 6.5 foot, not because I actually wanted the standing up part any taller, but because I wanted the sleeping part taller for rolling over and all. Anyway, I got a whole stick over there. Got these 3 pieces I was able to purchase today. Gonna try to get one side complete, hopefully 2 sides, and then you'll be able to see what the actual look of the camper sleeper is going to be. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get to work. All right, all y'all off the camera. I have already welded everything up that I had done on the last video. Now, whoop, this ain't welded. I forgot about that. I had it ready, but I haven't welded it. And then I just knocked my microphone off. Anyway, let's see here. Come on now, I ain't done nothing like that all day. And then start the darn camera, everything goes a falling. Stand this up just for a reference here. Gonna be on top of one and at the end of the other. Tack this here. A lot of this stuff ain't square yet, but I ain't really worried about that right now. Okay, got that there. Need to put those pieces on. This goes here. I need to grind that off right quick. Alright. Weld this brace in right here. This will be on the inside of the bed of the truck. Then I'll weld a piece out here. It will go over the top of the bed. And then it will have a 7-foot piece up here. Is where the 7-foot piece will go in a pair. Yeah. Good thing I didn't weld that in the wrong order. But anyway. That right there. Put that right there. Flip it over. Ain't cut straight. Alright, now we have that. Let's see here. That 6-foot piece is going to go over there. Looks good, looks good. Well, I don't know about y'all, but I can look at this and tell that ain't straight. Just measure it and see how far we're off here. 51. 51 and a half. 38 and a half. Oh, goodness. Yeah, way off. Well, that's one way to do it. It ain't exactly the right way to do it, by no means. All right, y'all. Can you see any part of what I'm seeing? Like, now since I see this, that's huge. That's going to be a big sleeping area. 6 foot this way, 4 foot that way. I'm also thinking about making it like, I don't know, another, or maybe another 18 inches. Not 2 foot, but 18 inches, maybe another 18 inches. Like, have a spot here. We're going to sleep in it first and see how it goes. That part will probably be made out of wood, but it'll hinge off of here. If we're not sleeping good, and where I'm getting my numbers from, a 4 foot wide bed is a double bed. A queen bed is like 4'5", 4'6". I can't remember exactly right now. I'm like, you're going to be able to have a double bed. It's going to be shorter, but I think it'll be all right. If we have any trouble with it, I can come out here another 18 inches, 16, 18 inches. There it is right there. Just a part of the tape measure that's sticking out is 16 inches. Have it to where it folds down. You'll still be able to move around here if you needed to get up in the middle of the night or something. So that would make it, I'd make it as wide as a king size bed just about. That'd make it daggone 5 foot 4 inches. So anyway, that's an option for later. You know, whatever. But this is going to be the side of the dang spider. This is going to be the fender of the pickup. You know, the edge of the pickup, the bed of the pickup right here. It's going to be here. So you have, I did weld this, didn't I? I only tacked this side. All right. So here, across here will be a bar, and up here will be a bar. But anyway, this back here, where underneath behind my buttonhole, will be a spot to sit. Same with the other side. Like on a rainy day or something like that. And eat, stand up, stretch your legs, whatever. If we're on our off time, you know, we got options. In other words, what I'm saying, like, we don't have to be inside the cab of that pickup all the freaking time. I don't know. I might cut this back 6 or 8 inches. It could have a little bit of an angle to it. Now, something about like that. I don't think that right there is necessary. You ain't got to come back much. Like, yay amount. Give it a little slope. Give that wind a little something to go to. In fact, could come up a little ways and then slope it. I could slope it more then without messing up the sleeping area as much. Something maybe about like that. Not set in stone yet. I know it's been a while since the last video. One, trying to get materials is like freaking pulling teeth around here. Like I said, I don't know why they can't order 5, 6, 10 pieces at a time instead of just ordering 1 or 2 joints, 2 or 3 joints, whatever they're ordering. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. God bless.